Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be deep cleaning my bedroom as well as reorganizing. I'm going to be getting rid of a ton of my clothes. I am going to be folding them in a new way. I'm trying the KonMari method, which you'll see in the video, but I'm not the best at it yet, but this is my first time attempting, so I'm pretty proud of how it came out. So organizing my nightstands, my closet, my dresser. I am also getting rid of a ton of my clothes on Poshmark. I frequently do this. I like to try to be a minimalist, and when I buy something new or receive something new, I try to get rid of something as well, and I'm getting rid of a ton of clothes. I've already went ahead and posted a bunch of this on Poshmark, and I'll just go ahead and show you my closet right here. So I got some pink stuff. I've already sold a lot of stuff as well because a lot of you are already following my closet. And also I plan on nap time putting up the rest of this stuff. So make sure that you use my link in the description box to download the Poshmark app. And I promise you, you will love it. And don't forget to come check out my closet. My closet is Tinks21. I'll put that on screen here as well. But I have been using this since 2014 and totally recommend it. So let's get started cleaning and organizing. I hope this video gives you some great motivation, and please let me know in the comments below which cleaning video you'd like to see next. I just tweeted this, but I want to say on here too. If you see this bun coming, you know I'm about to get stuff done. This is a mom on a mission.
Okay, so the first thing I'm doing is just throwing away any trash, and then I'm just going to pick up the bedroom and put things where they belong.
This empty town, I'm searching for the lost and found. But you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air, like a blazing flare. Just stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. I gave you everything, held you close by the storm.
You'll see I'm putting things into this little Tupperware. This is all of my planner stuff. And now I'm just going to tuck all that under my bed because I use it frequently and pull it out often to write in my planner as well as on my calendar. So here you'll see I got this little pill container from Amazon. I'll have that linked below. And those other little containers are from the Dollar Tree. So in the morning part of the pill container, I'm putting my Synthroid. And in the evening part, I'm putting B6, Unisom, and my prenatal, which is just the Target brand prenatal. Unisom and B6 is for my morning sickness. So I take it at night so that I'm not sick the following morning.
You're never here when I'm in pain, you hide and disappear like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares too. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us.
This was so simple, but it just made me feel so much more organized.
I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
I'm pulling my Tupperware container back out just to put in some bills that I have to pay and some other forms that I have to fill out. Now I'm just lighting my favorite stress relief candle, and I'm going to have this burning. I'm also listening to a new book on Audible called Girl Wash Your Face. I totally recommend it, and I love it. Also using my Method glass cleaner, and I'm just going to go around and clean all of the mirrors in my bedroom. I know that a lot of you are not loving how low the mirrors are above my nightstands, but I'm still trying it out. I want to see if putting something over my bed will kind of even out the level of it, but I saw this on Pinterest and I really liked how it looked.
tease. Oh, you meant the world to me.
And next I'm moving on to all of my furniture, and I'm just using the Method wood cleaner to do that, and it has a really good smell to it. I definitely really like this cleaner.
Watching it end again and again. I feel it in waves, you follow me, drifting to places I should leave. So close to the edge of something so perfect. We were too scared to take the leap. I'm missing the way we used to be.
Now I'm just fixing up my bed before I go ahead and start on all of the clothes.
Can't find a reason why. Can't get any closer. Can't find a reason why. Can't get any closer. Can't find a reason why. Can't get any closer.
If you need some folding inspiration, you're about to get it. The first thing I'm folding is just the load of clean laundry that I got out of the dryer. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and go through all of my clothing, get rid of things, post them on Poshmark, as well as just rearrange completely.
I'm rolling like water in the sea. The memories crashing into me. So close to the edge of something so worth it. You have the world right at your feet. It almost is all we'll ever be.
So here is the before of my closet. It's super embarrassing, but this is what real life as a mom with 2 toddlers is, because getting dressed is seriously like a frantic and fast situation, and clearly this organization system is just not working for me. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm going to take out all of my clothes out of the closet and sort them into piles, and one basket I have for donation, which is this one I'm putting things into right now, and the other basket I have for things to list on Poshmark.
Can't get any closer. Can't find a reason why. We couldn't get any closer.
Now I'm just putting these baskets off to the side, and then I'm going to make some more piles of t-shirts, leggings, tank tops, and pants. And you will see while I'm doing this, I realize that I want to get rid of some more stuff, and you'll see me throw that off to the side.
We couldn't get any closer.
And here you can see me trying out my new KonMari method of folding. Again, it's not exact KonMari, but I tried, and I really liked how everything came out. It was much more organized and easier to put away this way.
I could always be the one you wanna call when it's cold outside. I will always be the one that's right here standing by your side. Open up your heart and let me in. I promise not to break you. I promise I'll be all that you want. So let me in my heart before. Let me in. Oh, your love explodes
I got these little drawer organizers from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to go ahead and put all of my pajama pants into there. Next, I'm moving on to shorts and then to leggings. Finally, I am doing my t-shirts as well as my tank tops. I still feel like I kept too many, but I also feel like I will actually wear these items. If you don't have a dresser, I do recommend these little bins from Dollar Tree. I thought they were going to fit into my dresser, but they didn't. However, it still turned out looking really well. And next, I'm just going ahead and putting all of my clothes away that are folded, and you'll see this method is just amazing for organizing your clothes, and it makes it just so much easier for you to see what you have.
Linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms. Feel it in your legs. Feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go. Just let your body go. Just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
Now I'm moving on to these bins I had in my closet that were bikinis, socks, bras, and underwear, and everything that I'm throwing in the basket I'm getting rid of. And this is all that I wound up keeping. These little baskets I got from Homegoods. Now it is the next day, as you'll see the outfit change, and I am just hanging up the only jean pants that I have and 2 skirts. This is literally all of the actual non-legging pants that I own right now, and it's okay because I'm really trying to be a minimalist, like I said. This hanger I got from Amazon and I totally recommend it. I'll have that linked below.
It's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control.
Next, I'm just going to give the room a quick vacuum and mop.
Lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
These two big bags right here is everything that I was donating.
I wonder what went wrong today. Why do I feel like I linger?
And that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Also, be sure to check out my Poshmark closet. Again, I will have that linked below in the description box. And you can find my closet at Tinks21. I really love how everything turned out. My closet is still pretty ugly and yellow, but it's a lot more organized. And you can see all of the hangers that I have available. I should probably go ahead and get rid of those as well. And also, here is the Jord watch that I was talking about in my last vlog. I'm still having a giveaway for that, so check that out.